Welcome back to 1834 Restoration House. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, but beautiful. We are going on a Sunday drive up into the South Carolina mountains. So where exactly are we going?
Caesar's Head State Park. It's up at a high elevation. I've never seen it. We don't know what it looks like, but it sounded interesting. So we're going to take you along with us and you get to experience it for the first time just like we do. So we came across this roadside viewpoint here called Bald Rock Preserve. But just take a look around. Hi, love.
Hi.
I mean, this is incredible. It's just this one big flat rock all the way around here. And that's pretty amazing, but the best part, up here. So we're actually up here in the mountains of South Carolina, just south of the North Carolina border. Look at that. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. So way over there is some mountains. Absolutely rugged. But the view is just phenomenal. There just aren't too many places around like this. My wife is back here shivering and shaking because it's cold up here today.
Yes, it is.
Well, it was
very cold.
It was a lot warmer yesterday. Oh, hi.
It was.
Oh,
Hi.
It was a lot warmer yesterday. It was shirt sleeve weather.
Yes, it was.
Absolutely wonderful.
Short sleeve weather.
Yep.
That was beautiful. Today's a bit cloudy though.
Yep. Just up the road, we discovered Cougarhead State Park. Now, if you thought the view from the last place was good, check out this one. So what do you think of this place?
This is incredible. This is incredible.
Yeah.
Can you imagine what it would look like if you could actually see out there with all the fog?
I know,
gone?
we should have come up here yesterday when the weather was perfect.
Yes.
Okay, I want to show off just a little bit. Now,
Okay.
see that pad way down there? There's a house down there. So let's just take our super duper zoom lens. Look at that. You can actually see the house. I think that's as far in as we can zoom. So we'll come back out now. I'd like to draw your attention to a couple of things here. There's a lake over there. It looks like it's a million miles away. But with the power,
Table Rock Reservoir.
with the power of zoom lens, we can make it seem like it's right next door. But look at the rock formation out there beyond it.
That is called Pinnacle Mountain.
Pinnacle Mountain?
And Table Rock Mountain.
Okay. It's amazing rock formation. I really apologize for the hazy air, but that's just what we got today. Normally the weather here is absolutely fabulous. But I wanted to show you this incredible view. I mean, you just can't beat the view. It's incredible.
That's a different one,
Can you imagine building a house right there? I mean, you wake up every morning, you have your breakfast, and this is the view that you see out your window. Hey, love, check this out. Devil's Kitchen.
Let's find out. Maybe it'll be a little warmer. I am shivering. So cold.
It's really dark down here. We get some, turn some light on. There we go. Now we can see.
Watch where you're going.
Okay. This is really amazing. There's a rock.
Watch the side.
And the rock is cleft in two, and there's this trail that goes down right in between them.
It's not warmer.
Not warmer, you say?
No, it's
Okay.
not warmer. It is pretty cool though.
It is, yeah. Hopefully I don't trip and fall on something. Well, okay, now you're completely blown out, so let's turn the lights back off. Well, what do you think of the Devil's Kitchen?
Well, I don't know if we're there yet.
I think that was it.
I don't know. Oh. Wow.
There are some pretty amazing places in this state.
That's breathtaking. Oh.
Incredible.
So do we just keep going up this way then? Does it go back?
Yeah, I think that goes back up to the top.
Okay.
So there you have it, the Devil's Kitchen.
Tight corners between two big rocks. Woo.
Yeah. Imagine trying to film that with a 5-pound camera. And then this just comes back around to the parking lot. So I know you have a thing about bugs. They're not your favorite, but check this out over here.
It's a red-tailed hawk. What? Oh, no. No.
Native bugs of South Carolina. Yeah, it's the thing is nightmares, especially that guy right there. That,
It's nasty.
yeah, that's huge. Put your hand up next to the bug so we can see the scale of it.
I can't look and do it at the same time. It's creepy.
Well, I just want to show what it looks like.
I know.
Just put your hand up there real quick.
I am. You want it closer?
Yeah, I need to see it in the frame there.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, there it is. See how big that is compared to her hand. Those are some big, big bugs.
Yeah.